Hello, I'm Neil. Welcome to Grandpa's Workshop. Firstly, as always, big thank you to all my subscribers. This week, I'm going to be using the Algo laser DIY kit. I'm going to have a go at engraving on some slate. So, I bought myself some slate coasters and I'm going to give it a go. I've got a slate coaster set up on the laser engraver, so I'm going to give it a go and try and engrave on some slate. I don't think that looks too bad at all. I think I might do some more. You've already seen this one. This one's for my wife because she likes cows. And I decided I'd do this one for myself. And this is Hugin and Moonin, Odin's Ravens. Now I'm going to finish these. I'm not entirely sure what to finish to use, but I decided I'm just going to use a bit of this wax. Right, off camera, I'll apply wax to the other one and I'll come back and give them a quick buff off when it's dry. I've got these coasters from a shop here in the UK called The Range, and they were £2.99 for a pack of 4. They already have little padded feet on the underside, and I will be going back and buying some more. So I hope you've enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.